More changes are being made to Governor Malloy's tax hike plan.
And those changes are likely to be approved by a key legislative committee on Thursday. News HG political correspondent Mark Davis live in our Hartford newsroom with more on the comings and goings at the Capitol. Mark.
That's right. Hi, Keith and Ann. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. As you recall, Governor Malloy changed his mind about eliminating the $500 property tax credit last week and made it a $300 property tax credit. Well, tonight it appears that his plans to increase the sales tax on car trade-ins and new, big, expensive cars is crashing. Sources tell News 8 that the governor will likely go along with another big change in his tax hike proposal when the Finance Committee votes later this week. Connecticut auto dealers have said all along that Malloy's proposal could cause another recession in their slowly recovering business, that imposing a sales tax on the value of your used car at trade-in and increasing the sales tax on cars and trucks that cost over $50,000 would be a business killer and a job killer. They've been emphasizing their argument with a television advertising campaign making those points.
The new car tax and trade-in laws will cost hundreds of jobs,
millions in wages,
and even more in state revenue.
The numbers don't add up.
State lawmakers on both sides of the aisle are hearing those arguments, and their leaders and the governor are busy making changes to Malloy's plan.
That and a number of other issues have certainly percolated up to the top.
There's work being done, absolutely. And by the way, I acknowledge that that was going to be necessary a long time ago.
Meanwhile, Republican leaders announced their own budget plan today, saying they held their own town meetings and heard a different message.
We were also listening, as the governor was, and what everyone here heard was government needs to stop spending so much money.
The Republicans propose eliminating thousands of state jobs, plus getting $1 billion in concessions and cutting spending by the amount Malloy proposes to increase taxes.
Our budget does not create any new taxes in any way, shape, or form.
At this late date, it's not helpful. It can't influence the debate that we're having literally this week.
And Governor Malloy told me late this afternoon that the Republican plan to get $1 billion in concessions from the state labor unions while also laying off thousands of employees is a bit of a stretch. From the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.